Introduce yourself first. Can you introduce yourself first? Introduce again.
My name is Annie.
Closer,
Annie
closer
Grill.
with the microphone. Okay.
My name is Annie Grill. I'm 28 years old from Gonzaga, Cagayan Valley. I'm a single mother of two children. The age is 8 years old and 5 years old. My father is a farmer and my mother is a BHW. I have one brother and two sisters. I have a Christian and I am a high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay. What is your working experience?
My work experience in the Philippines, I have a work experience in the Philippines as a housewife in 2 years since January 22 to January 24, and I serve for family members, one couple and two child. The age is 5 years old and 2 years old. My main duties are ironing, cooking, cleaning the house, maintaining the cleanliness of the house, and take care of the child, ma'am.
Okay. What time you wake up?
I wake up at 4 a.m., ma'am, to prepare all the needs of the child, like the clothes and the foods, ma'am. And after that, I the child I can change the clothes, then go to school, ma'am. I can call if the child is already done the class. I call the teacher or call me ma'am. Then I get the child to going home, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Okay. So what kind of lunch you make for them? Lunch. What kind of lunch you cook for them?
I prepared. Sometimes the child they like the hot dog, ma'am. Then vegetable, ma'am.
Vegetable.
Also rice, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Is it they have full time school? The 5 years old one. Is it full time school? Full time. What time the 5 years old kid come back home?
Come back home, ma'am. 12, ma'am.
12 come back home. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
she will have lunch at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes.
after she finish lunch, what she need to do?
I I'm going to clean the household chores, ma'am.
Oh, I mean, the 5 years old one, after she eat, what will she do? After the kid,
I
5 years old one, eat lunch.
go back to school it again, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So she will go back to school and okay, and learn again. Okay. How about the two
Yes,
years old one?
the 2 years old is they do not go again, ma'am, because they not
Full time.
like, oh yes, ma'am,
Okay.
yes.
So the 2 years old one will stay with you.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What will you do with the 2 years old one? What you do
That
with the 2 years old?
the 2 years old, ma'am, is I can go to the bed, then I can doing sleep the child, ma'am.
Okay. I mean, 2 years old. What will you do with the kid if she is not sleeping? She cannot sleep all the time, right? So what will you do with if only you and the 2 years old kid at home? What
I give
activities?
I give toys, ma'am, and
Mhm.
they I give toys, ma'am, and play with him.
Okay, okay. Okay, why
Yes,
you want to come Hong Kong?
for to provide my family needs, ma'am, and to my future, my child future, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, if you come Hong Kong, who will take care of your kid?
My mother, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.